When installing a Panel Lock Plus system, it's very important to install the correct trims in the correct locations. Here I have what's called rake trim. It's installed on the gable end, on the end of the faceboard after we install the panels. Some contractors do not install rake trim after they install the panels, and that allows wind to get under the panel, lift it off, and start blowing the roof off. Now, we had a roof in Burleson, Texas withstand a EF2 tornado. On that roof, we had correctly installed the panels, and also we correctly used all the trims as recommended by the manufacturer. We had the rake trim installed, which adds some cosmetic appeal, but primarily structural integrity to the roof system, in that it will not let the wind enter under the panel and blow the roof off.